Hi, Mark here. Friday, December the 26th, just after 8 a.m. Eastern. US session now underway. Bear in mind, markets closed in Europe, in the UK, and trading will be, I believe, thinner, illiquid today. So again, in the illiquid markets, like we have over this Christmas period, moves can be sharp. So be on the lookout for that. Let's see how we stand going into this US session. I'm going to start on the US dollar index. There's been a turnaround already this morning. US dollar started strong. You can see intraday resistance sitting at 897.78, but look at the wick that's left behind. And now you see the small red candlestick testing support at 97.60. So a narrow 18-point range, but at this point, as the US session gets underway, sellers are in control and looking to test this support level. If I have a look at the hourly, there you can see sellers looking to break below this support level. We'll see how that plays out during the US session. Downtrend certainly still in place, and the 97.60 area, the support, and from 2 days ago, 97.43, that's what sellers will be looking at on the downside. Let's have a look at the S&P. Historically, December the 26th, a strong day for the S&P. We'll see whether that plays out. We've just seen weak US dollars, so perhaps we will see continued demand for US equities, particularly the S&P, which has been setting record highs. I've got resistance at 6,988. I've got support at 6,973. We'll see whether there is continued demand here and whether buyers look to test this resistance level, perhaps even looking up at that 7,000 level on the upside. It's an hour and a half until Wall Street opens up, so we'll see how that plays out in an hour and a half from now. But as the US session gets underway, S&P looking strong in the futures market. Let's have a look at gold. Gold, unsurprisingly, looking strong. I've got support at 4,493. I've got resistance at 4,530, matching the resistance and the record high from Christmas Eve, the 24th of December. We'll see whether buyers retest, break above this resistance level, or if sellers do step in. Sellers haven't stepped in lately. It's been a strong uptrend. We've seen that. The support sitting at 4,495 right now, and US session underway. We'll see whether buyers do step in and see this small pullback. Let's go to the hourly. The small pullback we saw here earlier, sitting in the middle of the range, could be an opportunity for buyers to step in again and retest this resistance level. Let's have a look at Brent oil. Sitting pretty flat in the middle of the range that we have between $61.50 and $62.20. Uptrend still very much intact. We'll see whether this demand that we saw over the past 4 days continues for oil and whether buyers retest the 62.26 resistance, or if sellers step in and break below this support level, sitting pretty flat going into the US session. And then Bitcoin, strong start for Bitcoin today. Support at 86.8 thousand. I've got resistance at 89, almost 89.2 thousand. Tough resistance level to break through. We can see that tested all through last week. We'll see if today it can break above this. And interesting, it coincides with the descending trend line we have in. So buyers will look to test the resistance, which will break above this descending trend line and then look to maintain above that 90,000 level. We'll see if buyers can, if that's on the card for buyers through the US session, or if sellers step in at this area here, just below the 90,000 level, bounce down off this descending trend line and the intraday resistance and look back down at the 86,000 or lower. But Bitcoin off to a strong start today. Good trading and keep that discipline.